Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to reset the service display on your Alpine A290. When you scroll through the menus on your dashboard, the message service due in X days appears. Once the service is done, you can clear this reminder and reset the timer for the next service. To display the service menu, you need to press the Start button without starting the car. To do this, press the button without touching the brake pedal. Then, navigate through the menu using the toggle on the right of the steering wheel. Scroll up to the message service in X kilometers or X months. On this message, do a long press on OK. The message will flash and then reset. In the Alpine, we will have the message service in 20,000 kilometers or 12 months. You can then scroll through the menus again. The service reminder has been cleared.